The developments in Bangladesh is being closely monitored in India's northeast that shares borders with Bangladesh. The Northeast Students Organization, which is an umbrella body of several very influential students organizations, student bodies of different states of Northeast, has sent petitions to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging centre not to allow any illegal immigrants from Bangladesh inside the territory of India, particularly Northeast. Joining us at this moment exclusively on NDTV network is Northeast Students Organization's advisor, Mr. Shamujal Bhattacharya.
So there is the apprehension due to the situation in Bangladesh. There will be influx of Bangladeshi into northeastern region. So on behalf of Northeast Student Organization, we had submitted memorandum to the Honorable Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India. We are urging the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and Home Minister Amit Shah that not a single Bangladeshi should be settled in Northeast, which we won't accept. And the Indo-Bangla border should be sealed immediately in a war-footing manner. And already there is a problem. There is a movement in Northeast. It's due to influx of illegal foreigners from Bangladesh. There is a threat to the identity of the indigenous people of Northeast. It's a threat to the language, culture, economy. And the illegal Bangladeshi, they have encroached the land of indigenous people of Northeast. So there is a threat. And for that threat, there is a movement in Northeast. Again, taking the advantage of the situation, no new Bangladeshis should be settled in Northeast. Because Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladesh. The fundamentalist groups are entering. It's a transit route and transit camp for them. So it's not only threat to the indigenous people of Northeast. It's not only threat to the northeastern region only. It's a threat to the country.
आपसे और एक चीज़ पूछना चाहते हैं कि जो नया केयरटेकर गवर्नमेंट वहाँ पे आया है, प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने एक ट्वीट किया है जहाँ पे उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि जो माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं वहाँ पे उनकी सुरक्षा के बारे में उन्होंने मुद्दा उठाया है. जो केयरटेकर एडवाइज़र हैं केयरटेकर गवर्नमेंट के प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद यूनुस, उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि अगर बांग्लादेश अशांत रहेगा तो म्यांमार और उत्तर पूर्व भी अशांत रहेगा. तो ये पूरा जो जियोपॉलिटिक्स है, इसको आप कैसे देख रहे हैं अभी?
See, it's a duty of the government of India to take appropriate diplomatic effective steps to protect the interests of the country. It's the interest of the country. It's the interest of India. And Northeast is in India. So the interests of the indigenous people of Northeast must be protected.
अब कहीं कहीं पे लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि क्योंकि जो सत्तारूढ़ गवर्नमेंट है बीजेपी की, वो सीए को प्रमोट करता है और वो एक स्कोप देता है कि रिलीजियस एट्रोसिटीज़ जिनके साथ हुए हैं उनको वो सिटीजनशिप दे. तो इसके चलते अब जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो क्या मांग रखेंगे सरकार को?
See, the indigenous people of Northeast and NASO have never accepted CAA. Anti-CAA movement in Northeast was very democratic and peaceful. The perspective of this movement in other parts of the country and in Northeast is something different. Because it's a question of protecting identity of the indigenous people of Northeast. Now, what government of India is now saying? They had said that the CAA is not applicable in inner line covered states. That means out of 7 states, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh is exempted from CAA. So CAA is not applicable in 4 states. In 6 settled areas are exempted. That means 98% of Meghalaya is exempted, number 1. 70% of Tripura is exempted, number 2. 8 districts of Assam is exempted. So, where CAA is applicable now? CAA is applicable in 2% of Meghalaya, 30% of Tripura and 27 districts out of 35 districts of Assam. CAA is applicable. So, it's a injustice to the people of Assam only. So, CAA must not be applicable throughout Northeast, because if CAA is bad for the inner line covered areas, states, if CAA is bad for the 6 settled covered areas, how this CAA can be good for Assam, other parts of Assam and Northeast?